Hi, Abhinav. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Hi, sir.
Hello, Abhinav. How are you today?
I'm good, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm doing pretty good. Thank you so much. And we are here today to have a small mock interview on Spark SQL, right? And I could see
Yes.
like you're an experienced data engineer, right? Isn't it? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Could you please
So,
tell me a few words about you, please, if you have time?
yeah. Hi, I'm Abhinav. I have total 4 years of experience in data engineering.
Okay.
My job role mainly revolves around Databricks, where
Great.
I'll be using Spark SQL to
Mm.
deal with the big data.
Okay. So you're into Databricks and Spark SQL with big data, right? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So, what are your daily activities you do at your job desk as a data engineer? Could you please brief me in short? In short.
So, as a data engineer, my main role is to perform ETL transformations, so which
Okay.
is extract, transform, load.
Mm-hmm.
So, in this Databricks workspace, we use SQL to
Okay.
perform this extract, transformation, and load operations.
Okay. So, basically more into ETL activities, you mean, right? ETL activities.
Yes, sir, exactly.
So, are you into pipelines or notebooks or both at your job desk?
So, we are dealing with both pipelines and notebooks. So,
Both.
depending upon
Okay.
the scenario, depending upon the
Okay.
requirements.
Okay.
Oh,
Understood. So, depending on the requirements, you'll be deciding whether to go for notebooks or pipelines or both, right? Depending on the
yes, sir.
requirement. Got it. So let's get started now. Let's get into Spark SQL. And as we planned on call earlier, let's have a series of Spark SQL interviews. Okay, let's start with the first one today. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Yep.
Sure, sir.
Thank you. So let me just open the interface, Spark SQL interface, and let's get started. So here it is. I'm ready with my interface. Let's have our interview in such a way it is subject oriented, practical, so that it is helping everyone who is accessing the video. Okay, we'll do it carefully. Is it okay for you? Yep,
Yeah, sir. Sure.
great. Yep. And before we proceed, all the best. Right, we'll start now.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. So, Abhinav, like, what is Spark SQL? Before that, let me complete my question. You have Spark SQL, MS SQL, Oracle SQL, right? IBM mainframes, Sybase SQL, Google BigQuery, OSQL, NodeSQL, lot of SQLs are there. What is the main purpose of Spark SQL? Could you please tell me about it?
Yes, sir. So basically, this Spark SQL is a special type of SQL where we will be dealing with the big data. Using the Spark SQL, we are going to write queries to deal with the big data.
Got it. I understood now. So, what operations we can do using Spark SQL? I mean, you said like you are going to deal with big data, right? What kind of operations we can do with Spark SQL in Hive Metastore, Spark databases?
So our main operation as an data engineer, basically, as I just told you, it revolves around ETL transformations, right? So basically, in my job role, what I do is I basically extract the data from various OLTP databases. So
Okay.
where we are currently having this present data where we are dealing with the data, different
Okay.
sources. So
Hmm.
using this SQL queries, using this Spark SQL queries,
Hmm.
basically we extract the data from different sources,
Got it. Okay.
and so depending upon the client's requirement, so whatever requirements they give us, so depending
Hmm.
upon that requirements, we filter the data. We filter
Okay.
the data, we transform the data and make it simple. So basically when we get some data from the source, it's a bit complex. But
Hmm.
what we try to do is we try to simplify it using some Spark SQL transformations and hand over
Hmm.
it to the client so that they can work with the data.
Understood. You mean to say specifically, like Spark SQL is mainly used to read data from various sources, transform, and finally load it into Warehouse, right? That's your answer, isn't it? To make it short,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
friends, everyone watching the video, exactly. Remember, friends, MS SQL, Microsoft SQL supports TSQL, and Oracle's MySQL. MySQL is a product from Oracle. It supports MySQL, and Oracle supports PLSQL. Postgres supports PGSQL. Amazon RDS supports its own SQL. Okay. Same way, different databases supports different SQLs. And where is Spark? Spark is not OLTP. Spark is on the warehouse. Spark is open source. Spark databases are actually designed by a company called Apache. Apache Spark we call. The main purpose of Spark databases and Spark SQL is big data warehouse. Yes, you assumed it right. You assumed it right. Regular SQL databases like MS SQL, Oracle SQL, Sybase, MySQL, Postgres, Amazon RDS cannot deal with petabytes of data. They are good for terabytes and gigabytes of data, but not for terabytes of data, but not for petabytes of data. For bigger data, yes, we need to have something called Spark database, Spark SQL. So main purpose of Spark SQL is to read data from various sources, perform transformations, and load data into warehouse or give it for analytics and data science activities. Data engineers are responsible to perform and operate on Spark SQL day in, day out. Abhinav, next question for you, my dear friend. For
Yes. Yes.
example, thank you. For example, here it is create database, a Spark database. Okay, I'll create one
Yes, sir.
database here. Let me create Amazon database. Now, once we create the database, come on, where do we verify whether the Spark database got created successfully or not? We are in Azure Databricks environment. Where do you verify? Yes,
Sir, we can verify this database, create a database in catalog, sir.
exactly correct. Right click catalog, new tab. Okay, let me just go to the new tab and yes, go to Databricks workspace. I'll just take this. Go to Catalog Explorer and there is something called Hive Metastore instance. And here is the Amazon database that we created just now. Perfect. And Mr. Abhinav, next question for you. How do you connect to the database? To
So
this particular
basically,
database?
yeah, we use like use keywords, sir. Use database name.
Exact use and database name. Next question for you, Abhinav. Is Spark SQL case sensitive or insensitive?
It's case insensitive.
Perfect, exactly. Case insensitive. So use uppercase, use lowercase means one and the same. It's absolutely case insensitive. Correct. Next, what about the identifier? I mean, what about the database name? Is the database name case sensitive or insensitive?
It's case insensitive, sir.
Got it. Let me put this way, friends, everyone. Whenever you create a database in Spark or a table or anything, internally it's converted to lowercase. Internally, the identifiers are converted to lowercase. That's the reason. Whenever I say use an AC, you get lowercase automatically. It's automatically converted to lowercase. At the same time, we can invoke it. We can refer to the database using uppercase, snake case, mixed case, any case, it works. But internally, it's converted to lowercase only, internal process. Abhinav, are you getting my point, please? I will wait.
Yes. Yes.
Great. Next. See, it's you got it now, Abhinav. Are you able to verify now that internal
Ye-
auto conversion of lowercase? Right?
yes, sir.
Great. Let's continue. So let me make it clear, okay? I'll take a notepad and write the questions that I ask you and the answers. It is going to help everyone, right, on board. Okay, let's put this way.
Sure.
So, question number one, I'm asking you today, what is Spark SQL? Answer: Spark SQL is an open source format to query and operate on Spark databases. Question number two, why Spark SQL? Why we need to use Spark SQL? Why can't we continue to use regular MS SQL or Oracle, PLSQL, right? Or MySQL? These are all different SQLs. Or PG, Postgres SQL, or Sybase SQL, right? Like this, or Google BigQuery, etc. Why? Because there's a main important item. Remember, MS SQL, Oracle SQL, Postgres, all these SQLs are mainly meant for OLTP databases. What are they? Online transaction
Transaction.
process, yes, databases. Whereas, whereas, whereas Spark SQL is mainly meant for the purpose of big data. Big data, as in big data means unlimited data, technically unlimited data for warehouse activities, warehousing, engineering, and analytic activities, especially in cloud. Next, question number three. Then I was asking you, where do you verify, right? Where do you verify
Yes, sir.
the Spark databases? Okay, I'll be posting all these questions to my website anyway, to our SQL School website. Okay, I'll do it anyway, just to make it clear. I'll say Spark SQL mock interview level 1. Yeah, let's continue. Where do you verify the Spark databases? In Databricks portal.
In the catalogs.
Exactly. Here it is. Catalog is the answer. Catalog Explorer. Question number 4. Can we access Catalog Explorer or catalog directly in Databricks? Answer is no, we cannot. We need a Spark cluster to access the catalog. Okay, for example, let me show you here. Go to catalog. See, without cluster or a warehouse, we cannot access the catalog. Not possible. Next, here we go. Next, number 5, an interesting one. Try to answer. What artifacts or objects you can access directly without a Spark cluster? Give it a try. I'll wait. See, I said
Sir.
catalog needs cluster, right? Is there anything that doesn't really needs cluster? Is my question.
Notebooks, sir.
Okay, exactly. Notebooks. You can access the notebooks, but we cannot run them, right? Isn't it? To run the
Yes,
notebooks,
sir.
we require a cluster. Okay. Yes.
Exactly.
The question is about access. Yes, exactly. Notebooks. Anything else? Correct. Notebooks. The content and output we can access, but we cannot edit.
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
So I am not able to recall.
Jobs. We can access the jobs, but we cannot run the jobs. Content. And the logs we can access. Very, very important. DBFS. You know, DBFS, files.
Yes, database file systems.
Exactly. DBFS files does not require Spark cluster,
Yes, sir.
Only databases require Spark cluster. Let me show you from my regular training class notes. What do I mean? Okay, let me show you here. Just to get some idea, as we are learning and preparing for interviews, let's make it easier for us. Let me open my latest item here. Just wait. Yes, I think not this one. I'll show you.
So I think
I'll just close all other windows and show you. Yeah, please tell me. I'm about to tell something. Tell me.
I think something is blocking your screen.
Just wait. Yeah, is it okay now? Please confirm, please.
No, sir, it's still there.
Let me address it. Yeah, hope my screen is clear now. We'll continue.
Yes, yes.
Great. So I was mentioning that to access Hive Metastore Spark database cluster is mandatory, whereas it's not really mandatory to access the file store. Are we getting it, Abhinav? I'll wait.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great. Okay,
Yeah.
I'll just take you back. Hope my screen is clear now, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Great. Let me continue. Then I was asking you question number 6. It's just an add-on anyway. Question number 6. Is Spark SQL case sensitive? Right? Sensitive. Answer is no. It is insensitive. Okay. Whenever we define Spark objects, their names are auto converted into lowercase strings. However, we can access them. We can access the objects with either uppercase or lowercase or mixed case. Here, objects mean Spark objects mean. That's the next question. Come on, what are the Spark objects you have? Please give it a try. I'll give you the clue. Tables. This way. What are the Spark objects we have?
Like we have databases, tables, views.
Yes. What are the Spark objects? Yes, databases are objects.
Tables,
Tables are
schemas.
objects. Are schemas really supported in Spark SQL?
Like normally in our OLTP databases, we have schemas as the.
Yeah, here it is. I got your question. I got your point. Let's go to Spark SQL and try to add a code. And if I try to say create schema, see, you have the schema, right? Isn't it? What it? Create
Yes.
schema. And I'll say ETL schema. F5. Got it? Yes?
Yes.
Understood now? Okay.
Yes.
So create table directly schema name dot table name. Just like regular MSS here, isn't it? Yes, are you
Yes,
getting
sir.
it now?
Yes.
Okay. Schema name dot table name. Okay. Well, let's continue. So where do you verify? As usual, we go to Hive Metastore and verify. Exactly. Catalog database. Just now it got created. So go to Hive Metastore database. It loads automatically.
So we did not use, ma'am,
Used
sir.
it. Exactly.
So
I think
default
used it.
data.
No, we used it. Okay. 1 second back. We used it. So ETL schema is ready. Anyway, I'll just make sure it is created. Okay. Use database. We used it actually. It is already there, right? Amazon database. So Amazon database. And then next, schema. We created the schema, right? We created the schema because it got
So
created earlier, right? Isn't it? You got my point, it's already there, right?
yes,
Yeah.
yes,
And table got created, of course. Now here, interesting. Amazon database is ready, right? This is the default table, SQL DF. You don't
yes,
see user defined tables, right? Isn't it? It's not there, not coming up. Refresh,
yes.
refresh. Click on refresh. Okay. Let's wait for some time. It will
So,
surely come up anyway.
it created a schema, sir, like a database. It has been created ETL schema.
Yes, exactly. Wait. Amazon database, right? Just wait. Yes, here it is. Got it?
Yes.
Well, let me put this way now. Just refresh it, okay, to get up to date content. Just refresh to get up to date content. Now, okay, customer data is ready. Now, here it is. Let me put this way: databases, tables, temp views. These are the objects. Okay, schemas
Yes.
are not objects. That's why I did not list here. Are you getting it?
Okay.
They are not objects. They are not, like Spark objects.
Yes.
Understood now? This is the concept.
Yes. Yes.
That's the reason. That's the reason. Sometimes in our regular activity, for example, you create table. I create table. I can access the data using, see here, select from that Amazon database dot products data.
Alright.
Are you getting it?
Yes.
Yes. Usually we say schema dot table name, right? Here it is
Yes.
database name dot table name.
Yes.
Okay. For example, I'll
Database
show
works.
you
Database itself works like a schema.
exactly. Schema name, database name are interchangeable terms. Okay. Those are
Yes.
interchangeable terms. Let me put this way. I'll show you from my notes. Yeah. Just wait. Here it is. Whenever we go for a database, see there is something called default, automatically created. I'll put this one here just to make it clear. Yeah, this one. Whenever we go for one database, I'll just put this one here. I just want to show you something on my screen. I just want to show you something on my screen. Yes, this one. During creation of Databricks, one DBFS is auto created. It can store Spark databases and tables. There is one Spark database auto created called default. Okay, remember something called default database. So where is default database? Let me show you here. This one. Are you
Default
getting it now?
database.
So default dot sales data. Let me show you now. Default dot sales data. See plus code. Select shop default dot sales data. See here. So this is a database name. Database name. So schema is nothing but the database. Are you getting it now, Abhinav? This one.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Same thing here also. But in the catalog explorer, you may not see directly. You need to refresh. You need to refresh. So here it is. Question number 8. Question number 8. What are schemas in Spark SQL? Schemas are the objects that contain tables and temp views. Okay. Here it is. Schemas in Spark SQL are nothing but Spark databases itself. Okay. Here it's important to note that Spark SQL does not support, does not support regular OLTP kind of schemas for table grouping. Are you getting it now, Abhinav? I'll wait.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now please try to give me answer to this question now. What are the
Okay.
different ways to create databases in Spark?
So we can directly write queries, sir, like
These
create
all
database,
possible
database.
statements. Yes. Option one, create
We can
database,
database.
Spark
s-
DB name,
the-
right? Isn't it?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
What's second option?
Is basically using GUI, like
Using
creating a
GUI.
schema as well. Yeah, it's creating
Exactly.
schema.
Exact schema and Spark DB name. Are you getting it now?
Yes.
You said we can create using GUI, right?
Yes.
How? How?
So
Please guide me.
basically going to catalog.
Okay.
Like I may be wrong. So
Understood. As on date, we have an option to create table. There
table.
is no option to create database as on date. As on date. Okay. We are in November month. We are in November month. Okay. I created the cluster in October 20th. We are right now in November month. As on date, November 2025, we don't have any option to create Spark database through user interface. Okay. As on date. Yep. Option three. Are you getting it, Abhinav? I wait.
Yes.
Spark.sc. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Query number four. What are the different or what are the differences between Spark database, Spark SQL, TSQL, or Oracle PLSQL for table creations? Please give it a try. I'm giving the clue.
So, so
No primary
basically,
keys.
yeah. So we cannot have like keys and constraints. We cannot build
Exactly.
relations in the Spark SQL.
Exactly. Relations
For we
are
cannot
not
use foreign
supported.
keys.
Exactly. And constraints are not supported. This is not OLTP, right? Isn't it?
Yeah,
So
data
primary
warehouse
key.
does not no, allow relations.
Exactly. Are not supported. Next, stored procedures. Got it? And
Yes.
triggers, functions are not supported. Are you getting it now?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. It should be question number 9, right? This one. And this is question number 10. Next, I'll take question number 11. Yes, here it is. Identify error from this screen. I'll show you on screen. Okay. Identify the error.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, this one. Here it's a match
Give me a
statement.
second, sir. To yeah, just give me a second so that I can read the
Yeah,
query.
please, yeah, read it carefully. In Spark SQL, we can do merge statement activities. You know, right? Merge is used for incremental loads, isn't it? Yes,
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
exactly. Now, please go through it carefully and let me know what could be the problem with this, statement.
Um,
Give it a try. Please
Sir,
take your time. Take your time. Take your
yeah,
time. I want you to go through it carefully. Yes.
sir, we got an error because first we wrote when not matched, then insert.
Ah,
But actually, we have to write when matched. Then after that, we need to write
exactly.
when not matched.
Exactly. Exactly. Yes. We need to write when matched, then only not matched. Okay. And do you identify any difference between Spark SQL and TSQL for merge statement? Please observe carefully. One keyword is
Just
extra here. One keyword is extra. Check it carefully. I'll wait. One keyword is extra. Check it once. I'll wait. Well, into keyword is extra. Okay. Merge into. In regular transact SQL, you need not write into, right? Isn't it? Are you getting my
yeah,
point with it?
like yes, sir.
Into.
Optional, right? Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. Here it is.
yeah. During
So,
insert statements, also we need to write into
yes,
in the
exactly.
Spark SQL.
So I'll provide you the required screenshot. Okay. And in merge statement, in merge state, matched, when matched, or matched condition. I'll write this one. Matched conditions should be mentioned first.
Yes. So then after that, when not
Okay.
matched.
Only then, only then, not matched condition can be mentioned. Remember, it is optional. Okay. Match is always mandatory. Non-match is optional. Are you
Yes,
getting it
sir.
now? A new point. Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Well, next. From here, question number 12. Does Spark SQL supports group by constructs, group by keyword?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. Yes. Question number 13. Does Spark SQL supports joins?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Definitely.
exactly. Number 14. Does Spark SQL supports cursors?
Mm, yes, sir.
It won't, it won't support. Please check.
Okay.
Please try. Please try. Okay. It won't
Sure.
support cursors completely. Okay. It won't support cursors completely. Next. Does Spark SQL supports CTs, common table expressions?
Yes, sir.
Is it? I want you to try.
No, sir.
I want you to try. Okay. Remember,
Okay.
CTs are in-memory processing activities, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
I want you to try. I want you to try. And I want your answer in the next interview. Got
Sure,
it?
sir.
We
Yes.
stop for now, Abhinav. And hope we
Sure,
had a
sir.
good time, right? I had really a good time with you, my dear friend.
Yes.
Thank you for your
Yes, sir.
valuable time. And people who are watching the video, please give us your comments in the video. Okay, the description box of the video. Please leave your comments. And if you want such interactive videos on any particular technology pertaining to big data, please do let me know. We'll try to surely do one and give it to you. And let's meet in the next video for Spark SQL interview series second version very, very soon. There will be focusing on merge, incremental loads, delta tables, delta live activities, Unity catalog, and other activities, including medallion architecture, bronze, silver, gold. Thank you so much and see you there in our next video for mock interviews. Thank you once
Thank you,
again.
sir.
Bye bye. Take care. Thank you, Abhinav.
Yes.
Have a nice day. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Abhinav. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.